Driving for CBR Wood Orchard, number 307, Colton Burns.
Hey guys, it's Colton. Today we are here at my house, switching up for a little bit of a different video today. I'm gonna actually be riding dirt bikes with Rick. I haven't rode much this summer, but we just tilled up the track. It's a little bit rough, but it's back to dirt, and I'm excited to ride the 250 today and the 150. We do have the water tractor in the background. Rick Hempel's going to be joining me out here today, my uncle. You guys might know him from the go-kart series. He does take place in that a lot, but no, it should be fun. Track's a little bit sketchy. It's a little bit dry, slick, and there's a new jump that we added, and then we made another jump bigger, which I think is just a little bit too big. Not for anybody that's actually good at riding, but for my sake, it's too big. Sure, other people would think it's a whoop section basically compared to what they do. But I'm excited to ride today. Ty Ocean's gonna film for me a little bit. I'll have my Insta360s on, try and get one on Rick's helmet as well. Should be a good day of riding, and I'm really excited to see how it goes. Hopefully we get some good content, nobody wrecks, but it should be a fun day. Switch it up. I know we do a lot of the go-kart stuff nowadays, but we have some new stuff in the works for 2026, which I'll stay quiet about for now. But yeah, should be fun, and let's get right into it, I guess.
I don't know, wait, let me try and turn this John around. Yeah. Alright, we're back with another YouTube video. Ty Ocean here, doing Colton's dirty work again. But it's fine because it's chill. Colton's out there ripping the track on the 150. Grabbing some waters for him. Not too shabby. Colton's ripping it out there. You know, I just can't believe it. No wrecks yet. About 25-30 minutes in, give or take. Everyone's doing awesome. Rick even hit a little jump.
This thing bottoms out like hell with this suspension setup, the ice setup. I mean, even off of this, I bottomed out. Yeah. But I mean, that center one's super easy to do.
Yeah, so I don't want to go off anything. It's set up for flat track, a lot on the ice, and that's the way I want it. So I got the original swing arm piece that I could put back on it if somebody was to buy it, but it works for me. And I'm going to ice race, that's what I'm going to do, or not really race. I'm going to ride with the ice guys, and I'm more into that. This is just to build up some of those muscles so that maybe when I go out in the winter, that I feel a little better.
What do you have to do to gain more strength in your hands?
getting old age.
Yeah, but what do you have to do to get them better?
I don't think there is anything I can do to get them better. I think it's just, that's the way it is.
I think you might have mentioned something to me though.
Yeah, I'm not going to repeat that. Hey,
Don't worry, this video is not going anywhere. Nice one, Colton. I missed it. Well, it's a good day today. Got a lot of good clips, a lot of good, oh shoot. My phone's on the roof. And I just dropped it. But it's fine, because we are back. Coming up, go subscribe to Colton Burns. Go subscribe to Colton Burns 307. Go follow him on Instagram, go follow him on, yeah, restart this, okay? Here we go. Go subscribe to Colton Burns on YouTube. Go follow him on TikTok. Go follow him on Instagram. Go add him on Snapchat. All these things. He's on social media. He's doing great out here. We got a lot of filming done today. And we just call it a day, but a new post coming soon. Yeah.
I need to grab that other bike too.
Okay, let's go. I just made a. I was like, yo, subscribe to Golden Burns.
Okay, well, my dad's ripping the bike, but anyways, subscribe to me and the Bailey's boys. Catch you later.
I'm in the AMG, no bitch, you better not play with me.